Elephants possess one of nature's most extraordinary gifts, a memory that spans decades.
For these magnificent creatures, memory is not just recall. It's a lifeline. It's a vast library of survival, passed down through generations.
Elephant memory is phenomenal. They remember locations, individuals, and events for decades.
This isn't just a fun fact. It's absolutely critical for their survival.
Matriarchs, like Marla, the matriarch elephant, are the living encyclopedias of their herds.
Their memory maps are incredibly detailed, vital for finding resources in harsh times.
30 years ago, this land faced one of its most severe droughts.
A young Mala the elephant witnessed hardship, learning directly from her mother. Water was scarce, and survival depended entirely on ancestral knowledge. Her mother, the matriarch, carried the crucial memory of an ancient water source.
Through sheer determination and memory, she found it.
That experience, that moment of relief, was etched deep into Mala the elephant's developing mind. A lesson learned, a memory ingrained for a lifetime.
Decades later, the landscape thrives, but challenges never truly disappear.
Subtle shifts in weather patterns hint at familiar hardships. The younger elephants sense change, an unease in the air.
Climate change is creating unpredictable weather. These droughts are becoming more frequent.
Access to reliable water sources is a constant, evolving threat.
This is where the matriarch's deep memory becomes absolutely invaluable.
Mala, the matriarch elephant, senses the approaching scarcity. The air carries a warning. The herd looks to her, their leader, for guidance, for survival.
The collective anxiety is palpable. They know drought. They fear it. Deep within Mala, the matriarch elephant's mind, a map awakens.
She remembers. She remembers a path, a hidden haven from decades past. Cassie, the young elephant, follows, her youthful trust absolute. The whole herd follows, a silent pact of faith in their matriarch's memory. Guided by Mala, the matriarch elephant's recall, they embark on a journey into the past. Every step is informed by a mental map, honed by experience and time.
Elephants create incredibly detailed cognitive maps. They encode every landmark, every resource.
These maps are not just visual. They include scents, sounds, and even geology.
The journey is long, the conditions harsh, but hope lies in Mala, the matriarch elephant's unwavering memory. Each step is a testament to the power of a memory, preserved over 30 years.
It's astounding to remember a precise location after 3 decades.
This isn't just a biological marvel. It's a profound connection to their past.
Mala, the matriarch elephant, continues, guided by the ghost of a vital memory. Cassie, the young elephant, and the others rely entirely on her wisdom. As the sun sets, the journey continues, a testament to endurance. Every detail, every rock, every scent confirms her direction.
The long journey, driven by memory, has only just begun. But life in the savannah is a constant battle against unforgiving elements.
In these harsh environments, memory isn't just a luxury, it's survival.
Droughts, scarce resources, the matriarch's knowledge is critical for the entire herd.
The season of scarcity tested every creature's resilience. The great herd faced a desperate search for sustenance.
Mala, the matriarch elephant, felt the weight of her responsibility. Cassie, the young elephant, like the others, relied entirely on Mala's wisdom. Suddenly, Mala, the matriarch elephant, paused, a flicker of ancient memory sparking. Deep within her, Mala recalled pathways to hidden oases.
Their spatial memory is astonishing, remembering water points over vast distances for decades.
Guided by instinct and experience, Mala led them onward.
Each step was a testament to enduring hope.
Cassie, the young elephant, trusting completely, stayed close to her matriarch. Finally, they reached a place of ancient promise, a dry riverbed. Mala, the matriarch elephant, knew water lay hidden beneath the surface. Patiently, Mala, the matriarch elephant, unearthed the precious liquid.
Cassie, the young elephant, learned a vital lesson in survival. The entire herd sensed the breakthrough, gathering close.
Cassie, the young elephant, parched, drank deeply from the newfound source. Mala, the matriarch elephant, her mission accomplished, found a moment of peace.
Savannah provided once more, thanks to the matriarch's memory.
It's remarkable. Generations depend on this inherited knowledge.
Their collective memory is the blueprint for their existence.
Rejuvenated, the herd continued their timeless journey. The wisdom of elephant memory, a legacy etched in time.